Hi everyone. So after the training, we need to register our model in this region here. So what we have to do is running this pipeline, and I will show you in a minute, in a second. So let me just see if it's running. Hopefully there is no issue, but we will see. So now this is the pipeline. Let me just close these pipelines. So this is our pipeline. I just commented this because when I run this several times, it took times. And one more issue, which not issue, which is the training here, as you can see in the training, no, in the job, where's the job? I can see it. In the job, I have defined this name here, which is uh, let's see, unique. And if I run, it will say it's already exist. So I have just commented these lines. Now I'm just trying to upload, let's see, register the model in the models. Let's see if this will appear here, so I can explain what is inside that. But yeah, it's fine. I mean, hopefully it's working now. After the training, we have seen where the model is saved. It's saved in somewhere else in a data store, and it's hard to, let's see, go to this or download it or maybe use it. So the idea is to register this model in the models area. So this will after registering, it will be used, for instance, for as an endpoint. And but in our case, we will try to download this model and run it via Docker and fast API. But this is in case if you would like to use it as a score. So if you remember, if you see here, when I started this, I have I have added I don't know, where is it, deployment, I think, yeah, here's the deployment, and you can see this is the score. If you would like to use the model directly, you have to write the code here, as we have did it in the fast API, and just use it and return the result. But in my case, I will not use the score. I will use fast API. But let's say just let's have okay, it took. So I mean, if if the time is, let's see, okay, let's need a XML extension, but we will see. Now you can see here I have in the training, I have this name here, the the job name, and this is the ML model create, which is register the model in the registers in the models, and here's the name, and this is the version, and the path the path of the model. It was in the job name output and model output, and type, it's a custom model, which is Onyx. It's not, let's see, ML or ML flow or something like this. And this is the description, resource group, and workspace. And let's see if it's, I don't know why it's talk time, but let me just pause the video and let's see, wait until finishing. Okay, so our pipeline is now working, and or the model, it should be already registered in the models area. This is our model, and you can see here this. If you see here, this is was the job, and this is now our models, and you can see our model is here, and you can see the model, the versions. It was only version 1 artifact. You can see it has pattern model Onyx, and you can see if you already use it in a endpoints. Here's the jobs. There's no jobs. There's no data. There's no feature set, and etc. So now this is our model is here, right? And in the next I mean in the next let's see, logic is to use this model for the prediction. So what's that mean? We need to create endpoints, and if you see, we can create, for instance, endpoint from this model here. So but I don't like to have this. our task or our goal, let's say, is to use Docker and fast API. And we will see now this is model, and we would like to download this model and put it in the directory so the Docker file can read this. So for instance, if you go here, this is the project and anomalab, and you can see now source. The models should be, let's see, where's the fast API. This is the fast API, and it's load the model, and I think the model should be okay. It should be in the root directory. Alles klar. So the model should be, let's see here, and I think I have one. Yeah, this one here. So now I need to replace this, but we need to download the fresh model. Why we need to use the fresh model? Because we have trained the model in the cloud, and we would like to use the trained model on the fast API using the Docker file, the Docker images. So we will see this in the next video, and yeah, I think this is enough. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.